Hi Bandase, I hope you guys are doing well. This is me here unboxing my gift from my friends. Oh, what a wonderful gift it is, guys. My friends, wow, let me just shut up and not say anything about my friends. They are wonderful, that's all I can say. If you do not have women around you, men that you can lean on, you don't have to have 10, you don't have to have 20, you can have 5, you can have 4, you don't have to have all the tribe like yes Israel does. You just need people that will be there for you at all times. They are wonderful. Molwin. Anyway, so I was unboxing this gift from my friends. Such a beautiful stroller that they bought for me. By the way, I have a daughter. I took a break from WhatsApp. Sorry, not WhatsApp, YouTube, for almost 9 months, I think 8 months. When I found out I was pregnant, I was still doing YouTube. But I was like, okay, let me take a break so that I focus on my pregnancy and not be frustrated about a lot of things that I need to cover. So I took that break. You know, when you have a plan and then God have his own plan, because wow, I was not planning to have a child this year. But hey, he saw that it was 2024 that I was going to have a child, and this child was going to be a gift that would enlighten my life. She is such a precious gift. Anyway, as you can see, I am so much struggling to open this gift. Such a beautiful, big, I call it a Range Rover. It is her first car that my friends bought for her. It is a Vorpa that my friends bought for my child. Wow, what a wonderful gift. Anyway, I am pulling it out because wow, it was so heavy to even pull it out of the box. I decided to lay it down so that I can pull it properly. Whoa, there it is. Pulling. Oh, you guys, I was so loving the color when I first saw it. This color is so wonderful. It's beautiful. It is not bright. It is settling. Like it is a brown, and I don't know the other color on the other side, but wow, I need to go and confirm it from Google. Yeah, there's a Google, the answers for everything. I have used Google when I was pregnant for everything, even for coughing. I would ask Google, what causes women to cough when they are pregnant? It was such an amazing, at the same time, very frustrating time. I didn't know that being pregnant was amazing, at the same time overwhelming. One morning you are very happy, the other morning you are not. Wow, as you guys can see, I was trying to unfold this thing, but wow, it was so big for me to even unfold it. So I let it rest a bit, and I let myself rest because it needed all the power that I could have for me to unfold it. So I decided to put the wheels first because that was the easy part of being a mother. Is such a beautiful thing. At the same time, you think, am I doing enough for my child? What more can I do? I want to buy the whole shop. I want to buy everything. But wow, I don't have all the funds for me to buy the whole shop. I was asking for help here because well, I was struggling. it didn't matter how big it was. Anyway, the power I had, I got it from God. Everything that I try to put together in my life, that man from above, he helps me to put things together. He's such a wonderful man. No one can do life without God. Oh, let me just pause. I don't know how people that do not believe in God do life, but that is a topic for another day. Maybe I would have to ask someone to come to my podcast. It is one of the things that I like to do. I mean, a podcast, of course, but how will I have time? Where will I get time to do the podcast? Being a mother is such time consuming, because you want to do that, but then your daughter also wants your time. She takes all the time that I have in my life. She just takes it. Anyway, it is a dream that one day I will have a podcast, because I have so much topics that I want to discuss with you guys, with the people that I want to invite. But anyway, everything starts with a dream. Everything starts with a dream. You have to have a dream for you to go anywhere, anyway. So it is not something that I am putting aside for now. Podcasting, it is something that I'm continuing to dream about, because one day I will have my own podcast, God willing. God is my provider, and God is my everything. Okay, now I'm done putting my stroller together. You guys, can you guys see that I put my stroller together? There's nothing in life that we cannot do. We can do everything, God willing. Everything we can do. Guys, the stroller was so beautiful. It is so beautiful. But it was so beautiful when I first saw it. I was like, wow, what a wonderful piece. As you guys can see, you can turn it around. You can turn it to your face. You can turn it around for your child to face you, and also for your child to face in front.